It's been almost 2 years since conflict broke out between the Sudanese armed forces and the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces. The United Nations says Sudan is the world's largest humanitarian crisis. Both sides have been accused of abuses including rape, torture, and attacking civilians. Allegations they have denied.
The Rapid Support Forces, the Sudanese armed forces, and other parties to the conflict are not only failing to protect civilians, they are actively compounding their suffering.
More than 30 million people will need humanitarian assistance this year, according to the UN. Despite this, humanitarian organizations face severe challenges in delivering aid. Aid supplies have been looted and humanitarian workers attacked. This has forced agencies like the World Food Programme to pause food distribution. The UN also says famine has taken hold in several regions in the country, although the government denies that famine exists.
Famine is occurring in hotspots in at least 5 locations in Sudan, with an estimated 1.3 million children under 5 living in these areas. Over 3 million children under 5 are at imminent risk of deadly disease outbreaks, including cholera, malaria, and dengue, due to the failing health system.
Cases of conflict-related sexual violence have also been rampant, and children have not been spared. At least 220 cases of rape against children were reported across 9 states last year. This is according to data analyzed by UNICEF and collected by service providers in Sudan.
We estimate that 67% of these children are girls and 33% are boys. In 16 of the recorded cases, the children were under the age of 5. 4 of these were babies under the age of 1. The data only gives us a glimpse into what we know is a far more devastating crisis.
A crisis that's continuing with no end in sight, as the RSF recently declared the formation of a parallel government and fighting continues unabated. Tony Kongo, CGTN.